The top court of the country has asked Delhi NCR municipal authorities to round up all the stray animals, especially the stray dogs I refer here.
मेरे निशान